Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all. Today I will present an overview of Malaysia palm oil industry, its economic role, production process and sustainability changes. Okay, by the end of this presentation, you should be able to explain the historical background and significance of the palm oil industry in Malaysia, describe the main process in palm oil production, including extraction and refining, discuss the economic contributions and downstream application of palm oil in Malaysia, and last but not least, discuss the sustainability challenges and the importance of certification in ensuring responsible palm oil productions. Okay, let's go to our topic. Now we go for the introduction to palm oil industry in Malaysia. Oil palm was introduced to Malaysia from West Africa and expanded commercially in the 1960s. Today, Malaysia is the second largest producer globally, and this palm oil supports food, oleochemicals, and biofuel industry, making it a key agricultural sector. Okay, now let's talk about oil palm and palm oil. Okay, the oil palm, which is known as Elysis guineensis, produce fruit with valuable mesocop oil and also kernel oil. It thrives in tropical climates, start fruiting after 2 to 3 years, and mature branches can weigh up to 50 kilograms. Okay, now let's go for the economic importance and the supply chain of the oil palm. Okay, palm oil contributes about 2.7 to Malaysia GDP and earns about 109.4 billion in export in 2024. This sector provides jobs for over 500,000 people, with 40% of land managed by the smallholder. The supply chain spans from upstream plantation to downstream food and energy industry. Okay, now let us go to the process on how the palm oil productions. Okay, CPO, which is known as the crude palm oil, is produced from the mesocarp of the fruit through eight main steps, which is receptions, sterilizations, stretching, digestion, pressing, clarifications, and nuts recovery. Each stage ensures all quality and minimize the losses. Okay, now let us focus on the extraction process. Okay, on the extraction process, we have a sterilization process. Yeah, sterilization process uses steam to loosen fruits and stop the SFA rise. Fruits are threshed, digested and pressed to release the oil, while clarification separates the impurities, while kernels are recovered for palm kernel oil and kale will be used as the animal feed. Okay, let us go through about the second process of the palm oil, which is the refining. What is the refining process? Actually, the purpose of the refining process is to remove impurities to produce RBD palm oil suitable for food and industrial use. Main steps in the refining of the crude palm oil are decamming, neutralizations, bleaching, and deodorizations. Okay, byproduct are used. Okay, byproduct of the refining process will be used in soap, biodiesel, and oleochemical productions. Okay, let us go through about the downstream products and exports. Okay, palm oil feed can be classified into food products, oleochemical, biodiesel, and also specialty fats. In 2024, Malaysia exported about 109.4 billion worth of palm oil, with the key markets includes India, China, and the EU, and also the Middle East. Okay, now let's just go through about the sustainability and environmental challenges faced by the palm oil. That particular challenges include deforestation, GHG emission, greenhouse gas emission, and waste production like home. Okay, certification scheme like RSPO and MSPO promote the sustainable practices. Global regulations such as the EU deforestation law push Malaysia to adopt greener method. In industry, the palm oil industry is vital to Malaysia's economy, supporting food, energy, and industrial sector. However, sustainability and responsible practice are essential to secure its future. Thank you.